Okay, so I have a very sad story for you guys starting off the vlog. It's currently like 5:15, and I've been trying for the last 4 hours to get out of Tokyo towards Yashio Factory. With all the Emperor stuff and all the, you know, different world leaders and stuff in town, all the highways are closed, like on the inner circle and outer circle. It's really frustrating. And essentially I can't get on the highway anywhere. And I've just pretty much been going around on the normal main roads through Tokyo to try and get to the other side. So really, really bad time for me. And there's just police everywhere. It's a joke. So anyways, we're gonna see if we can still get there or not. Although Okachan's gonna be wrapping things up there within 2 hours, and this says that we might get there in an hour, but yeah, I've been trying for 4 already. The good news is I finally managed to get onto the highway. It just took for freaking ever. Far out. It seems like such a, like, why would they close parts of the highway for that? I mean, like, I get it, but I'm also like, it's so frustrating. Anyways, another thing that's making me super happy is I got a caramel macchiato from Starbucks. So I just pulled over, put the hazards on, and ran in and got a drink. Couldn't be stuffed. Anyways, we're about 50 minutes away. We'll probably get there like maybe like 6:15, so like 30 minutes before the workshop closed kind of thing. Get some orders that you guys all placed, and I don't really know what we're gonna do for content today, because all my plans have gone down the drain now that I couldn't get to the workshop on time. Spoke too soon, we got kicked off the highway, and we're back to normal roads under the highway. Ah! I'm so frustrated. I've been trying to get to Yashio Factory for ages. I hope the highways are open again tomorrow. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But Skytree's there looking beautiful, so that's kind of a plus. Anyways, we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna probably watch Ruddy's latest video, and hopefully we get there on time, because I gotta at least pick up stock off him today to ship out orders tomorrow, because you guys have been killing it with the sweatshirt orders. All right, so we finally kind of got close to Yashio Factory. We're like 5 minutes away, but look who it is. It's one of those red chasers from the other day at Up Garage. Might have a bit of fun if he's on the same road as me, but I doubt we're having fun though, because traffic sucks. It's so frustrating, so frustrating. We made it, lads. We made it. And looks like we're gonna have to hold a funeral for this thing soon too, because it's finally going to the scrapyard. Let's see what the boys are up to. So this S15 belongs to Kawashima-san. He's a really famous hairdresser here in Japan. And this thing is a Yashio Factory spec built S15. The white wheel combos look amazing, and he's got the wheels that I'm super jealous of. 17 9.5 RGDs in the front. He got them repainted white though, they used to be gold. I kind of wish I got them before he did, but very nice car. And he's also got the full over fender kit, so his is way wider in the front and the rear wheelbase wise. Such a nice car. He also has a much bigger wang than me, and he's got the carbon boot as well. Very cool. Look how clean all of this is. The last few days I haven't been able to get here, and Kenji has been working his butt off. It's insane the amount of space you have here. You could fit another entire car here, maybe even 2, and work on them. It's insane the amount of space. Also, a whole bunch of new over fenders have just come in. They look super fresh. Pretty excited to see the cars that these are going on, which I can't talk about. But what I do want to talk about today is the Yashio Factory FT86. A lot of you guys have been asking about more information of this car, why you don't see it running, or why you don't see anyone working on it. And the reason for that is it's kind of been the big project that's been pushed back on the back burner for a fair few years now. When I first saw this was 4 years ago, and that was when it was running with its original engine. So let's pop the hood and I'll show you what I mean. So as you can probably see from the interior here, there's no transmission in this car. It's got some beautiful bright Zetas in here though, which I wonder if I can swap this for the ones that are in my car. We'll see if Okachan lets me, because I know he likes the one that's in my car, not the one that's in here. He doesn't like the Zetas. They don't give him the back support he needs, but these fit me perfectly, so we'll see. But we just popped the hood, and let me show you what's in this beast. There we go. absolutely nothing. But what's really cool though is the coilovers and everything like that, Yashio Factory ones, the great spec ones, the same ones we have in my car, but they're designed obviously for this particular chassis and car. All the aero is his as well. So these are body kits that you guys can buy and get shipped over. But obviously, like I said, there's nothing in this engine bay. So Okachan's plans for this initially was WiseFab, and he had the WiseFab kit for it and everything like that. But things changed and he got rid of the WiseFab kit at the time, and anyways, all of that aside, he's still planning to put WiseFab in it, so he's going to be getting another kit. But engine wise, I mean, no one really modifies the factory engines in these. They get blown up really easily. But if you can see here by these cams, these are not normal cams for an SR. So for like the Neo VE head, right, the 1.6 crazy, like you don't have rocker arm issues because it's very much designed like the Honda, right? See the rocker arm design, it has rails that hold it all in place, so it's impossible to lose them. And then the rest of the head's down there, and that's going to be going on a turbo block and getting dropped into this. So that thing can pretty much rev to like 9,000 RPM without a problem, I believe. And nice turbo, super responsive. So that's the goal. It's going to be going into this car and pretty much just an insane kind of show drift car, have a bunch of baller angle and have fun. So it's going to be interesting how Okachan's going to start building this next year is his deadline. He's set a deadline on this, so it's no longer on the back burner and will be getting finished once. Also, there's some interesting stuff brewing for the 180 that some of you guys might not like, but it's super unique in Japan to be putting a V8 in a 180SX in Japan. A V8 that may already be here in a box. That's all I'm going to tell you. But there's going to be some stuff happening to that. It's going to be going pink again, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I figured I'd give you guys pretty much just like a run through of this car for now, because obviously today's plans got completely blown out of the water with the highways all being closed and stuff like that. But it's just super cool because this thing's going to be SR powered, not just any normal SR, but a VE. And it's going to be revving to the moon and probably like 500-600 horsepower, so it's going to be sick. That's his goal. And next year we're going to start building it, filming it, documenting it. So definitely keep an eye on it. For getting this type of aero and stuff like that, if you guys want this body kit, probably the best place to buy it is going to be through like, you know, Jesse Streeter or, what was it, Right Hand, RHD, RH, JDM or whatever it's called. Definitely hit them up if you want to get it. If you want to pay, obviously, for the expense of getting it shipped over and stuff like that, they're the best guys to hit it up. You can also get, Okachan also sells his titanium exhaust for these cars as well, if any of you guys are into that. And it looks super sick with the aero too, with the twin pipes and Yashio Factory logos there, the titanium. Very cool body kit. I would definitely run this body kit if I had a FT86 and I was like competing or something like that, because just look how wide this thing comes out. Honestly, I think this looks way better than anything Rocket Bunny's released or Gretty or any of those other guys. I really like it. All right, so we just finished closing up the workshop. I've already gone to 7-Eleven. You guys know the drill. Got to get myself a nice ice cold Coke and some little snacks and stuff to make sure I don't fall asleep on the drive home. It's just a long drive. Like, I mean, it's normally like if there's no traffic, 45 minutes. But because it's like peak time, I'm not going to get home for probably 2 hours, and that involves like an hour sitting in bumper to bumper traffic, and it just gets super boring. So, you know, I'd rather just have something to eat and drink so that I don't fall asleep. But I'm hoping we get to go to this really nice ramen place that me and May have been dying to go to. So hopefully we can do that. So I'm going to get a move on and go from there. Watching the latest episode of My Hero Academia, and a little bit of Gate sounds good to me. Alright, so we're at this place where good ramen is apparently, also the waifu tells me. By the way, waifu-chan is here, guys. Say hi to waifu-chan. Hi waifu-chan, what's up? What you been up to today?
You know that, right?
Yeah, waifu-chan, right? Waifu-chan Lucas.
Then that means I have the same name as Okachan.
Oh yeah, that's kind of funny. Wait, Okachan's not my wife? Why? He's not. What? I'm so. Oh, the Chan. Okay, you need to restructure that. I'm like, wait a minute. Are you calling Okachan my wife?
No.
Oh, that's hilarious. Anyway, so we're gonna go and eat some ramen, and we don't know if it's gonna be good. This is the first time eating here. We've been wanting to eat here for a while, so hopefully it's good. Tonight's restaurant is called Ippudo, and this is the ramen that we're expecting to eat. That looks good. Is that negi? Pork? And what base is this? Pork, hey?
So pork.
Yeah. Oh, I'm keen for some of these too.
Pork and fish.
Pork and fish?
It's like Fukuoka style.
Fukuoka style, eh? Alright, let's get amongst it. I'm keen. And here is dinner. Looks amazing. Got some gyoza there. And May got the same thing.
Oh.
Is it good? Wait, did you try before I even got a chance?
You have your own.
That's true.
No complaining.
I'm pretty keen on these, although they look way smaller than what they are in the picture, that's for sure. In the picture they look like they were like this big, but they came out a quarter the size. Alright, we're gonna down this. Is that good too?
Yuzu like spice.
Ah, so it's like yuzu chili?
So yuzu chili.
Yuzu is kind of like orangey citrus bush lemons, I guess. Yeah, like in Australia we have bush lemons, but we don't make a spice out of it. It's just like a citrus spice, but they mix it with chili. It's really nice. Alright, anyways. Itadakimasu. Well, that was good, but I wouldn't say amazingly great, like my favorite type of ramen. Because it's kind of like fish and pork based, it was a little bit different to what I'm used to. I still ate it though, like it wasn't bad, but it just wasn't great. It wasn't my favorite ramen. That's all it was. I'm repeating myself. Did you like it, May? Hell yeah. Alright, let's get out of here. Just look at how pretty she looks.
It's growing in me.
It's growing in you. Okay, you're pregnant with my car. It's growing on you. I love your English mistakes sometimes. You speak, oh, you mean the blue headlights? Yeah, they are growing on me too. They're not growing in me though. Oi, calm down. But we made a little stop by the convenience store for a Choco Mint ice cream. I'm way too keen for this. Convenience store ice creams are amazing. All right, we're gonna chill for a bit, eat ice cream, and then pay for parking and head home. So back home now, lads, starting to edit and just going through the footage. Like, I'm so bummed because today's vlog was supposed to be something entirely different, but that's okay. We'll do it tomorrow, and then Friday's gonna be even better because we have the cage going in the S15. And by the way, just so you know, I thought it was really weird that Okachan kept telling me to put the dash in before we put the cage, because I thought the cage was going to be going through the dash. But it turns out he used this word in Japanese that I didn't really understand too well, / now it's all good, I know what that word means. It didn't mean like into the dash, it was in front of the dash, which as you guys can kind of gather from that, it means it's a bolt-in cage that goes in front of the dash, not through and inside the dash. So yeah, anyways, still learning obviously, so you know, every day is a bit of a struggle, but I learned so much working with him every day and talking with him. It's actually really helping my Japanese a lot anyways. And I'm ranting too long, but yeah, tomorrow, the next couple days videos are going to be epic. There's some drifting happening next week and a whole bunch of other stuff. Today's vlog, just nothing went according to plan, and these things happen. It's a daily vlog, it's my life, and this is what happens sometimes. Also, are you guys enjoying the facial hair I'm attempting to grow? I'm probably gonna just shave the beard off and just leave the mustache. Is that too much of a hint for what's to come? I don't know. Anyways, thanks guys. Peace out. Jamata. What am I even doing?